Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to create a lower third. First step is click Browse, then hold down that menu. You're going to want to type in lower third, and then make sure the star is clicked over towards the right. Do that, pick the one you want, drag it in, find the person you want to make